In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Zendesk widget in just about 5 minutes. Starting off, let's dive into the Zendesk platform, which is an outstanding customer service solution. Whether you're looking to update the look of your help desk or just tweak the widget on your site for better user experience, I've got you covered. First things first, we need to access your Zendesk account. Simply head over to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button. Given that Zendesk ensures the highest security for its users, you'll need to click on sign in once more just to confirm it's really you attempting to access the account. Now it's time to enter your email address and password. These credentials are your keys to the kingdom, so make sure you input them correctly. After you've filled in those details, hit enter or click sign in to proceed. Alright, you're in. You should now be at the heart of Zendesk, but to find what we're here for today, you'll need to navigate a bit further. Look for Zendesk products on your dashboard and give that a click. Zendesk offers a suite of tools, but we're focusing on customizing your widget today, so this step is essential. After you've clicked on Zendesk products, it's time to get a little more specific. Locate Admin Center in the options you're presented with and click. This is where the magic really starts to happen. The Admin Center is essentially the control room for your Zendesk environment. Once you're in the Admin Center, our next destination is Channels. This is where all communication channels your company uses within Zendesk are managed. Click on Channels to continue our journey toward customization. In the Channels section, navigate to Messaging. This is the area where you can manage how your messaging looks and behaves across different platforms. Clicking on Messaging will take you to where you need to be to start making changes. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, personalizing your widget. Within the messaging settings, you'll find something called the Style drop-down. This feature allows you to change the color and edit the appearance of your widget to match your brand or desired look and feel. Take your time to explore the options available. Customization is key to making your widget feel like a part of your site. Once you're happy with the adjustments you've made, don't forget to hit Save. This crucial step ensures all your hard work doesn't go to waste and that your changes are applied. And just like that, you've successfully updated your Zendesk widget. These steps are simple yet effective in ensuring your Zendesk widget aligns with your brand and meets the needs of your users. Remember, a well-customized widget can significantly enhance user experience, making it easier for your customers to get in touch and find the help they need. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. With these easy steps, you've taken your Zendesk widget from functional to fantastic. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make the most out of your digital tools.